Hey, what's up, Brew Crew? Opie here. Welcome back to the Brew City Garden. So I wanted to hurry up and make sure I got this video out today because there's a holiday out there that I just discovered, and I think it's a holiday that we can all get behind. So August 8th is International Sneak Zucchini Onto Your Neighbor's Porch Day. Now, if you're anything like me, and I know you are, if you're growing zucchini or summer squash, you're swimming in this stuff. I mean, you got more than you know what to do with. And at this point, your neighbors, your relatives, your friends, they stopped answering the door because they don't want any more. You know, one zucchini like this can feed a family for 2 or 3 days, and we're plucking these things off every day. So if you need to get rid of that squash, I think everybody should participate in the zucchini onto your neighbor's porch day. So the idea behind this is, obviously your neighbors aren't taking any more zucchini, at least not willingly, but we're gonna make them. So once night falls, we're gonna dress up in black. We're gonna pack up all the extra zucchini that we simply don't know what to do with. And we're just gonna run up, drop them on the neighbor's porch and get the heck out of there. All right, guys, so I darn well have more summer squash and zucchini than I will ever know what to do with. So I will definitely be participating in this particular holiday. Hey, and I encourage you to do the same thing. Be careful out there, though. I tell you what, though, if you want to make a video or take some pictures or just leave in the comments below how it worked out for you and how much zucchini you were actually able to get rid of, I would love to see or hear about it. All right, guys, with that, pack up your summer squash, get ready, get your black clothes on, get out there at night and get rid of your zucchini. Until next time, guys, good luck, Godspeed. We'll see you.